Good day, everyone, and welcome to live trading webinar with FXDD. My name is Nenad, and today I will show you some live trades. We are having one trade currently, and potentially we will scan for more setups. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Please use these web addresses to sign up for more live educational and trading webinars. Now, let's start with the trading. Let's open the template. And our trade is currently the dollar CAD, guys. Okay, the dollar CAD. Here, basically, we have, as you can see, a live running trade on the dollar CAD. The price is making a pullback, so I will enter one more trade, and this is basically the trade that I'm running based on 4-hour template. The stop is not that high, but I have calculated the risk inside, and final target is here. So let's try to see if the counter trend possibility will actually be profitable. We see a big drop here, but also we see a potential for a pullback based on this super dot here, as the price is trying to get above 30.67. Okay, so this is the very, very important level, 30.67. If the price makes its way above, well, then probably the top of the ATR will be hit, and on daily time frame we will see the formation of morning star. Of course, morning star pattern will only be valid if, because this is the first candle, this is the second candle, if this third daily candle is actually bullish, only then the morning star will be valid. Until then, we are having some range bound movement, but again, these setups, and this setup is based on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we are looking at 4-hour counter trend setup. This is pure counter trend, okay, because the price is going against the trend. You can see this is purely counter trend. We can also see divergence here. We see a bullish divergence, okay, from this spot. Okay, this is a bullish divergence here. So if the price proceeds up, okay, then we will see 1390, 1380, and this level 3112, and eventually 3165. Lost my camera levels here, but basically this is what I see here. So we need to the price needs to make a bigger pullback. Anyway, 30.00 needs to stay strong. That is why I put my stop loss below this 13.17. In case of the price makes a higher low, that will be confirmed, and we will go more to the upside. Okay, I'm paying attention also to Forex Factory calendar. I opened the calendar right now, and I can see that basically core retail sales and retail sales in the US went up, but also foreign securities purchases went up in the Canada. So probably market will be waiting for other news, especially Mr. Powell, Fed Chief Powell, will speak today, and he's to deliver a speech titled Aspects of Monetary Policy in the Post-Crisis Era at the French G7 presidency in Paris. So we will see if he will give any cues regarding future rate hikes that could actually move the dollar. But at this spot, the price is well rangy. It's going up, it's going down. So it's still contained within the zone for a buy. But again, it made a spike about 20-30 pips today, but it didn't have a momentum. Because this is 4-hour trade, I want it higher. I don't want to take few pips here and there. This is supposed to go more to the upside. Now, regarding other trade setups, we are taking a look at euro dollar. Now, the euro dollar obviously turned bearish from this spot, so we had bullish spikes. Now the price is trying to go down, and I think it will be a sell if the price gets to 1250 zone. From intraday perspective, this looks like a potential sell trade. Of course, let's see 4-hour time frame. Yeah, 4-hour is still, it's basically big head and shoulders on 4-hour. Yeah, but you see, there is no clear direction on the 4 hour. I will open my 4 hour template on the euro dollar. And you see, yeah, it's confirmed bearish. But again, let's see the daily. Yeah, definitely bearish trend here. We have both. Yeah, this could have been a trade, although the price didn't go quite to the upside. But obviously, this would have been a nice entry here. But definitely, the price looks. Yeah, it looks bearish to me. So we will wait and see if the price will make any pullback. Let's see other setups. GBP dollar is bearish indeed. Yeah, bearish again, bit bearish here, and no signal, but it is bearish. I'm trying to scan maybe for some other setups. The price is low, so we don't have it. Euro yen, nothing here. The Australian dollar yen, yeah, it's going up. 4 hour is going up, and yeah, nothing as a new entry. Bearish GBP, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, now it's trying to make a U-turn. If it makes, this will be a chance, maybe if it drops here for another entry. Euro GBP up. XAU USD. I'm trying to scan for pairs, guys. Yeah, nothing here really. Nothing. Also, all of my trades, I will show you right now, are also shown on my FX book. So I'm trading the account, and my FX book is here. Let me open the link. So you can, of course, follow. Feel free to follow my FX book account here. It's close to 8-9 months. No, it's actually December 2018. So it's 8 months since I started this my FX book account. And there are a lot of setups here, trades. Some are taken with high risk, but anyway, we are strong here. I will show you right away. Okay, let me check. I need to go with a screenshot because there are some advertisements here. I'm not allowed to, of course, show any advertisements. So I will go with screenshot of my FX book. This is it. Okay. This is my FX book account. And guys, if you want to follow the link on the my FX book, here is the link. The question, Nenad, do you see a swing set up on euro dollar 4 hours similar to last week? Bottom 80, 1180, 92 is not broken. Okay. Euro dollar. Now, Ali, I'm currently using for euro dollar, I'm using this template. But primarily, I'm focused now on the dollar CAD trade because I see the signal on dollar CAD on my template. It's called super dot. On euro dollar, I want also to see some kind of a reversal signal here. So there is no setup until the setup is confirmed. So I want to see if the price will make some bullish potential. Then, of course, it should be validated also by the cross of these EMAs on and then we can find a long entry. Probably yes, but we need to see the signal. You see here, for example, on the dollar CAD, we see a clear signal here, and it was valid, okay? And we see the cross of these moving averages. So this is the earliest possible trading opportunity because this is counter trend trade. From counter trend trade, the trend will either continue to be bearish or it will reverse. So this is definitely the earliest possible signal we could have made with the dollar CAD. Okay. Now, if we go to the indicators list and remove this historical, we can chart red levels that I also use for trading. So let's do it. You press Control and Y on your keyboard, and you will get a full price section. So one quadrant here, we will measure it. You see, it's valid from 8th of July till 12th of till 15th of July. So it's 7 days. So this is the full week on these quadrants. Because on 4 hour, we trade intra-week. It's called swing trading, intra-week. So I'm trying to push the price to the upside, and I see the red level support. So let's chart it, okay? We can use last 7 quadrants. First, second. You see, I'm marking highs and lows. Third, okay, this is the low, but it's very close to this low. Fourth quadrant, okay, marking highs and lows. Fifth quadrant, you see how price reacts at these levels. It always reacts at these levels. Sixth quadrant, you see similar and very, very close here. And seventh quadrant is here. This is it. Red levels are here. So obviously, you see the market wants to push it above 3062. Actually, today's high is 63. So it wants to push above this level. And if it makes a close of 4 hour above this red level, we will go higher. But you see the range. It's only 50 pips for the last 5 days. So it means today, whatever happens, I don't think it can go more than 3082. But ideally, if it closes above 3082 and we watch the daily close, we might see a morning star pattern on daily, guys. Morning star pattern is bullish. So it will give us a continuation trade towards these red levels. That is what I see, and that is what I think it's very, very important here when we take 4-hour trade setups. I like these red levels. They're very clear, very accurate, and usually they provide me with a nice trading opportunities and pips. Okay, here you see, I mean, it's close, but we still have these are most important red levels here. And now the price is trying to push above this red level 36.7. The price in Forex is always repeating itself. So that is why it's important that we take trades that are close to these confluence points. And we also have, as you can see, we also have divergence here, bullish divergence, okay? Not a big one, but it's still divergence. And also we have a confirmation on daily time frame that this is the early formation of potential morning star. But this daily candle ideally should be bullish. And then if it happens, we might see a reversal to the upside. If it doesn't happen, then probably this low will be broken. And I don't know, we have a stop loss here. So I'm not afraid. Really, this is not a big risk. You always need to take your account, to take the risk into your account. Whatever the size of your account is, risk should be fixed. Let's see if we have any other setups. If any, I will trade it. But you see, for intraday trades, 1 hour trades, the market is slow. We need more momentum for intraday trades. Dollar yen trying to push up. We might see an up move indeed. If this candle now closes as a bullish one, tomorrow we might have a bullish setup on 4 hour. Yeah, but this looks, definitely it looks. Yeah, I'm trying to scan for any of these 4 hour trades. Because for 4 hour, we don't need momentum. We can actually wait. This was bearish. You see, sometimes I miss these trades really. Yeah, I see nothing right now at this spot except this dollar CAD that is confirmed 4 hour dollar Swissy. Yeah, still one. You see, it needs to cross. So we don't have any clear setups. Only dollar CAD, guys. Yeah, only dollar CAD. That is confirmed. So we are sticking to this. I mean, it's okay. We don't chase trades. We wait for the trades to develop and then we trade what we see. We don't chase the market. The question, can we try a short on Euro GBP at 0.9030 to 40? On daily, there is a strong descending trend line nearby. Euro GBP, let's see. Let's see the Euro GBP. Short at 0.930. Okay, let's chart red levels now. Okay, this is the high. This is the low. You see how markets respond to red levels. High, low, third quadrant. Okay, I don't need this one. 1, 2, 3. Third quadrant. High, low. 1, 2, 3. Fourth quadrant. High. Nice. Low. Okay. Fifth, high. Low. Sixth, high. Low. Whoa, this is very nice. Seventh, low. So these are quadrants. And yeah, I mean, you want to see bearish divergence, but there is no bearish divergence. So I wouldn't gamble just to go blind here. This could be a rejection, but you need a confirmation, Ali. Don't enter blindly in a trade simply because the price wants to reject. You need a confirmation, and this is still not a confirmation. It's close to being the bearish divergence, but it's still not confirmed, and you don't have a bearish candle set up. So I wouldn't go. I wouldn't be optimistic to go short here. Let's see above this, because we don't have 4 hour. We need to go on daily and see the next daily resistance that is in quadrant. So this is it. Okay. You see, this is the daily resistance. And above 90.40, you have 90.61. So I would be looking for short somewhere here on a confirmation. On a confirmation only, because this now here, 4 hour is uptrend, daily is uptrend. You have a trend line, but it's not confirmed because this daily candle is very strong. This looks more like a continuation to me than anything else. I would wait, Ali, with this. Definitely, I would wait. This could have been a nice long, but I didn't get a signal here. So, yeah, but I need to I need to apply one more filter here for giving me even better signals, because especially on this is what I like to see. This is a good signal, a cross at the middle of the candle, and you see daily is also bullish. So yeah, definitely I want to make another signal here. Let's see something in my indicators list. Yeah, okay, if I change it here, still nothing. Yeah, definitely this signal needs to be taken. I need to apply the filter for this one because this looks like perfect signal. Let me just check something. I want to see the oscillator. Okay, what it tells me. Okay. Okay, this is, yeah, you see it's not below the line, so that is why we don't see a signal. This is confirmed signal here. Usually the best signals are when my oscillator is in overbought or oversold territory. Here, definitely, yeah, we don't have it here. So, yep, I definitely need to do it. To apply. Okay. This is a continuation, Ali. This is not, to me, this looks like a continuation. I would leave it like this at this point, just to watch for some possible movements. XAU USD. This could be maybe a long, let's see the daily. It looks like my template is showing bullish signs. Yes, daily confirmed. This could be a signal soon, guys, on 4 hour. So I would like to see the bullish rejection, and then I think this could be a long, because here this was confirmed long, and I think there could be a continuation, but I just need one more confirmation of this cross and bullish candle, and then this could be a long. So watch for potential longs on the XAU USD. Okay, guys, so this would be all for today. I'm paying close attention to XAU USD gold for a potential long signal. This looks like a long to me. Okay, But we need one more confirmation. The dollar CAD is long confirmed here, and I'm waiting for the price to develop itself. We need patience. Use these red levels, snapshot it. This is how I do it. Very, very accurate red levels. And I hope that we will make money with this. Follow my FX Book account, FXDD live account on myfxbook.com. Thank you guys for listening. I wish you a great, great trading day and talk to you soon. Cheers.